Hey, what's going on, folks? This is Keith and you're watching Barber's Auto Help. Thank you so much for watching. Well, I've got before me here the Ford 2.0 Duratec HE engine, and this particular engine came out of a 2014 Ford Focus. However, this engine has been used on a lot of the Focuses throughout the year and also other Ford products, and I do believe Mazda has used this particular engine as well. In this video today, I wanted to go over the removal and installation of the VCT solenoids. So let's go ahead and get into this. Now, it goes without saying, in order to remove these solenoids, you'll have to remove your valve cover to gain access. And I do have a video on that. I'll post it at the very end of this video at the end screen, and also I'll post a link down in the description to that video as well. So you want to definitely watch that video on top of this one. Now, once you got your valve cover out of the way, of course, your VCT solenoids are wide open. You have your intake VCT solenoid, and then you have your exhaust VCT solenoid. The intake VCT solenoid is on the side that has the intake manifold, and the exhaust VCT solenoid is on the side that has the exhaust manifold. And the removal and installation process is basically the same for either solenoid, and these solenoids are interchangeable, by the way. So in this video, I'm just going to take the intake VCT solenoid out and put it back in. So it has an 8mm head on that bolt right there. We're just going to go ahead and loosen that bolt. And the solenoid comes right out just like that. Take your new solenoid, put it right back in there. Put your bolt in, start it by hand, thread it down by hand first, and just run it down. Don't go crazy with your impact if you're using an impact. Just be gentle with it. Don't fully torque it initially. After that, you want to definitely take a torque wrench to it and torque this bolt down to specification. Unfortunately, I do not have that specification for you. You'll need to refer to a repair manual for that information. The same process goes for the exhaust VCT solenoid as well. Now at this point, you can go ahead and reverse procedure, install your valve cover, and just back out. Well, folks, I certainly hope that this was helpful. If you have any questions, please comment down below. Also, please read the entire description down below this video before you apply any of this knowledge or attempt this. There may be some things I need to clarify, and that's where I do that. And please read the disclaimer at the very end of it. Please choose any one of these videos to watch next. Of course, like I said, I do have that one video posted right there that you can watch to learn about the process of removing and installing the valve cover. Thanks again for watching, guys. Please like and subscribe.